Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi Note 8 Pro. This is the model. And as you see in this case, we have a pattern issue, which we don't remember the password to our phone. So we have to perform the hard reset. So first we have to turn off device by pressing this button. Click power off. Then after the phone will turn off, press and hold volume up and power button together. So volume up, power button, keep holding both the key. If not, press one more time, volume up and power. Release power, still holding volume up. That's it, release all the button. And now press volume down to wipe data, accept by power. Volume down to go down, wipe all data, accept by power, volume down, and accept by power. And that's it. Now the phone gonna be full reset, write the new firmware, power to accept, reboot the system. And phone will wake up with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. And be sure that you have to know your Google account because phone gonna be asked about the password to it. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!